In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Elevenlabs API for Python. To begin, head over to the Elevenlabs dashboard. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, create a new account and complete the sign-up process first. Make sure you are fully inside the dashboard before moving on, because that's where you will find the developer settings and API tools you need. Once you are in, look to the bottom left area of the sidebar and click on Developers. This section is where Elevenlabs keeps the tools meant for integrations, automation, and coding workflows, including access to API keys. After opening the Developers area, select the API Keys tab. This is the section where you can generate and manage the keys that allow your Python scripts or applications to connect securely with Elevenlabs. When you are on the API key creation screen, you will be asked to add a name for the key. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to create more than one key for different projects or environments. For example, you might name it based on the app or script you are using it for. At this point, you may also have the option to restrict the key's scopes or set credit limits. This is a good security practice, especially if the key will be used in a shared project or a production environment. Limiting what the key can access helps reduce risk, and setting usage or credit limits can help you stay in control of consumption. If you are just getting started, take a moment to review these settings carefully before continuing. When everything looks good, click Create Key. The platform will then generate your unique API key. As soon as the key appears, copy it and save it somewhere secure. This is important because API keys are sensitive credentials and should never be shared publicly or placed directly into files that might be uploaded online. Store it safely so you can use it later in your Python project. With your key ready, the next step is to install the official Elevenlabs Python SDK and start using it in your code. Make sure you install the official package, so your integration is reliable and up to date. Once that's done, you will be able to authenticate using your API key and begin working with Elevenlabs through Python. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.